guys, today I'm with the big man AcidBoy, one of our best MotoGP sport bike racers in Kenya. Yeah, if you've not heard about him, man, check our training sessions with Alpha Racing Team. This is the man in front of the camera, man. So today he's just teaching us the basics of how to do a wheelie. He's one of the pros over here, so it's only right to ask him to, help the MotoView Rides team with the clip and tips. So if you're interested, guys, hit the subscribe button and watch till the end of the video.
Hello guys, this is AcidBoy. So today I'm gonna show you some tricks for how to do a wheelie, and also if you can keep practicing, it can be easier for you. So here I have a KTM 350. It's a super motorbike, very smooth bike, and also it has a lot of power. So it's good for wheelie. You can do also stopping with it, any stance of it, drifting. It's a very wonderful bike. So on a wheelie, let's start on a slow wheelie. So on a slow wheelie, you need to put gear. You engage gear 1 on your motorbike, and also you need to add a bit fuel. Then you more of acceleration. Then also you you release clutch, like you dump clutch, yeah.
Okay.
And also don't put a lot of gas because the bike can flip.
Oh man,
so
okay.
The thing you need to do, there's somewhere you call the balancing point. The point that you see the bike, it can go back, and then you feel at the same time the bike want to come down.
Okay.
So that's why you use the brakes, the rear brakes. So every time when you are doing a wheelie, you need to your foot to be on your brake, because a wheelie is something you can just do just one, then you can just flip the bike. So you engage the first gear, then you put a bit of acceleration, then you dump the clutch. So when the bike is up and you feel the bike it's lighter, when the bike you have lifted the bike, so that's why you use the brake, so to balance the bike, not to go back, and then not to also to come down.
Okay.
So that's why you use also the clutch, and also if you want to go for a long
Distance.
For a long distance, you just go changing some gears. But before that, you must know how to do a slow wheelie.
Okay.
So a slow wheelie, the better gear is to is gear 1. So you just put gear 1, then also you dump the clutch, then the bike, when it's uplift, so you use your rear brakes to balance your bike, and also at the same time you don't let some fuel. Yeah. So,
okay, man. Thank you so much. So guys, it's Mike, MotoView Rides behind the camera. That was a short intro on how to do a wheelie. You'll see the clips of this guy doing his wheelies, man, and more during the next event of the Alpha Racing Team in November 6th. So don't miss that. Just a question, AcidBoy. How long did you take as an individual to learn how to do a wheelie? Like, was it a day, weeks, hours, minutes?
A wheelie, when you are ready,
okay,
to start doing wheelies. Wheelies, you need to keep practicing. Not as something you can just wake up today and you say I will be perfect.
Oh, okay.
To do it today. It's something you keep practicing every day, every time, anywhere. But you first of all gear up, wear your helmet, gloves, and gears.
Okay.
So that in case when you fall down,
for yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So as always, man, safety gears are important. Thank you, AcidBoy. I'll show the guys the clips of you doing your thing, man. We appreciate, much appreciated. MotoView Rides here.